Here.
We got this.
We
All
got
right.
this.
We are police.
We have the police
We are
badges.
investigating a murder.
Murder?
Yes, there was a murder.
There was
All
a
right.
murder.
I know that.
Come here. We're going to look at it now.
The body was.
Stab wound.
You think?
45 degrees.
45-degree angle.
Yeah.
Victim's height.
Something.
Approximately.
I have a
Ground level, yeah.
good question.
So,
The height of the killer. How
unknown.
can he?
All right.
How can he
This is-
do
So,
that?
we have to find out what the murder weapon is.
Shut your face hole.
Move.
Okay.
This is investigation.
Don't be quiet. This is an investigation.
Yeah, you're really good at investigating.
All right, come here, come here. Come here. Hey, hey. Partner, right here. See, we got a hat and a knife.
Yeah, we do.
Could be anything.
It could be anything. The murder weapon.
I'm the one who called it in. Maybe I could
No!
share with you what I saw.
We don't care.
Don't want to.
Okay.
They're bad police officers.
What'd you say?
I said
hey,
you're
What'd
bad.
you say,
No,
man?
no,
Hey,
What'd you
no,
say?
no.
Hey!
I will go right now.
Okay, no, okay. It looks
Call
like
me your partner.
I will try.
Taylor,
If you piss her off,
Taylor,
you don't know what will happen. So I think the weapon could have been a knife.
I think so too.
Yeah, okay.
I think that's it.
I think we need to do some interrogating.
We do need to do some interrogating. That's it.
So, Mr. Fibonacci,
Yes.
what were you doing at the time of the murder?
Well, what happened? I was just out for a nice walk at night, gazing up at the stars, and then I just saw this body on the ground, sort of kind of like a knife wound. And then everything just started spiraling out of control, and then I just called 911 because that's all I could think to do.
Okay. I like it. Free to go.
You don't want to question me anymore?
Nope.
You don't think I could be the murderer?
No.
You're an incompetent cop, aren't you?
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hi.
Enjoy failure.
Oh, bye. No, not the stapler!
You murdered Bill, not the science girl! Confess now or face dire consequences. Ptolemy, Claudius, known as a mathematician, astronomer, geographer, astrologer, and a poet. Well, that seems like an awful lot on your plate now, doesn't it, Ptolemy?
Yes, I do my best.
Where were you at the time of the murder?
I was in my bed, getting ready. I was asleep.
Really? Because it says here, you were writing and looking at the stars.
I was looking at the stars. This local bar was closed.
Poetic. Really poetic. Just like this murder! Perfect, clean knife wound to the chest.
Was it poetic or just phonetic?
Oh, you think you're hilarious, don't you? Mr. Poet.
I'm a poet, and you know it.
Are you
gonna
saying
let
you're
the
not a
whole
murderer?
world show it.
Are you, with all those on your resume, you're saying you're not a murderer.
I ain't no murderer.
Okay. Get out of my face.
All right. What were you doing at the time of the murder?
I was dividing up some meat for my dinner.
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
That's not enough.
Of course it is.
No, it's not.
I got this. I got
You
this.
don't got.
I got.
Move.
Okay.
Move. Miss Lovelace, or should I say, Miss Augusta Ada Byron. It says here, you wrote the first algorithm intended to be carried out by a machine.
Yep. Don't like all that
Smart
writing.
lady. Smart enough to orchestrate a murder!
Don't think so.
Don't think so.
I don't think so. I think she's good.
Hiding under the shroud of sexist cop. Here.
No, okay. You're free to go. Sorry about my partner. She's crazy. Okay. Bye.
Don't call me crazy. My mom had me tested.
Alright, by my amazing math deductions, I was able to figure out that the length between the shoulder and the eye of the murderer is about 70 centimeters. I knew that because the knife wound was at 45 degrees and the average arm length is 70 centimeters. And I wanted to find the opposite of the angle, and that's the adjacent, so I was able to figure out I needed to use tan. So tan 45 equals x over 70. And I times both side by 70, and then I figured out that x equals 70 centimeters. And now I know who the murderer is. Alright, we know who the murderer is. Alright, now I figured out with my extensive math stuff, and I am able to figure out who the murderer is. Now, I'm very disappointed in whoever murdered someone. Like, it's murder. Guys, come on. Seriously? Alright. It's very disappointing. Alright, so I want the murderer to please step forward and...
It was me!
What? Oh.
Yes!
Oh, man. Gotta get him, gotta get him.
Let's get him.
Go. It's like, we're not going.
Let's get on and push us.
Go, push us.
Go,
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 go.
I think get them. How much of a head start do they have?
I don't know.
How long was that? That was like, what, 3 minutes?
Probably.
How long will it take to overtake the killer? Well, as you can see, X and Y represented here. Ada is traveling at 80 meters a minute, and we, the Fuzz, are going 100 meters a minute, and she got a 2-minute head start. So as they both equal X, you can substitute them in and solve for Y. And then you substitute Y into Ada's equation because it's simpler. You get 800. So we will take over Ada after 10 minutes and 80 meters.
Ada Lovelace, you're arrested for the murder of Bill Nye the Science Girl.
You're arresting me for 1 murder? You should be arresting me for 3 murders. Ha ha ha.
What do you mean?
I murdered the other 2.
What?
Poison was used to moisten the grave.
The stars!
I hope I'm remembered as brave.
They're calling to me. The astronomy. This is how I wanted to die.
Agony! It's so sad. The pain is the rain on top of Sunshine Hills. Rhymes with
Death. Ow!
Poison.
What kind of poison?
Hemlock.
We'll be sending that to the forensics team. For now. Officially in police custody.
The car.
You come with us. In the trunk.
Alright.
I would have gotten away with it if it weren't for the bad officer, Einstein, and the incompetent officer, Pythagoras.
Ow. That hurts.
You are obtuse.
Can't believe she killed 3 people.
Looks like it was a math murder.